Now let's see PreBilt in action. In this demonstration, we will be looking at PreBilt for stock movements for SAP WM and stockroom management. PreBilt for stock movements helps to mobilize and simplify your warehouse processes by simplifying SAP. In this example, we will see how PreBilt for stock movements can be used to move stock from the goods receipt area to its designated destination. The operator is asked to go to the goods receipt area to perform a put away. Once the operator has arrived at the goods receipt area, the operator is greeted by multiple items of stock that are ready for put away. Next, the operator opens PreBilt and selects Inbound, then Put Away, and proceeds with scanning one of the pallets. PreBilt then shows the operator where the stock needs to be taken to. Once the operator has reached the displayed destination storage bin, the operator confirms and completes the transfer order. Another application example of PreBilt for stock movements is using PreBilt's bin-to-bin functionality to move stock from one storage bin to another. The bin-to-bin functionality can be used with and without HUs. An item of stock has been damaged during a put-away and therefore needs to be repacked in a different part of the warehouse. The operator does this by selecting Internal and Bin-to-bin. Next, the operator scans the HU label to select the handling unit to move. The operator then moves the pallet to the new location and confirms the destination storage bin, creating and confirming the transfer order in one simple step. This last example shows how PreBilt stock movements can help to improve your housekeeping processes, stock accuracy, and located stock, even without HUs. The operator is tasked with creating space for new products. The operator needs to move material that is currently in the bin to bins in a different section of the warehouse. The operator starts by opening PreBilt, selecting Internal and Stock Inquiry. The operator proceeds with selecting a storage bin that needs to be emptied, and scans the material code of the product that needs relocating. Now that the operator has selected the right bin to empty, the change of location needs to be registered accurately. The operator does this by selecting Bin to Bin on the bottom of the screen. Next, the operator declares how much of the material will be moved, adds the new destination bin number, and completes this process by confirming the bin.